Alright, so if you guys remember a month back, Sam got me with a hickey prank.
A new addition to her family and the struggles she's faced with her two exes. That's coming up when we return.
What's on your neck?
You did it this morning.
Get those things out.
Yeah, you did.
All it means that you've taken Chase away from her.
She wanted him back.
Yeah, you did. Yeah.
A long time ago, get him.
Yeah, you did.
I had concerns about.
So right now, she's in there, she's in my room sleeping, and I think I want to prank her. I couldn't think of any good pranks to do. I've asked so many questions. I don't want to do anything that will jeopardize our relationship really, like breakup pranks or anything crazy like that. Yeah. But I don't know how this one's gonna play out, but I have an idea. So Sam hates it when I work on my airsoft guns. She doesn't really care for airsoft. But for those of you guys that don't know, that takes up a majority of my life. I'm on an airsoft team. I travel with my airsoft team. I work at an airsoft store. I'm a part of the airsoft community. Now, she's already kind of annoyed because I'm actually gonna go play airsoft tonight. And she's not really gonna see me because I'm gonna be playing with the guys. So I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pretend that one of my airsoft guns misfires and, like, I don't know, hits me in the eye or some shit, and I'm just gonna fall out. I'm gonna cry hysterically. I'm just gonna cause a scene, and we're gonna see how she reacts because she's sleeping right now. I'm actually in there setting up for tonight, and I have no idea how this is gonna turn out, but let's see what we do. So as you guys can see, I'm setting up my stuff for tonight. This is the gun that we're gonna use. I'm gonna pretend it goes off. Or freak out. Let's see what she does. Where's this? I need some light. Can I get some light? I need some light. Okay. Is that bad light? That feels like it's bad. Alright. That shit just opened by itself. Y'all saw that, right? What the? There's nobody out here. Okay, so like I was saying, first of all, I don't condone anyone attempting this prank. Don't try this at home. This is dangerous. I am using an unloaded replica firearm for anybody that's worried. It shoots plastic BBs, but I'm actually not gonna load it with any BBs at all. It's just gonna have air, it's gonna go off, it's gonna be loud, and she's gonna freak out, hopefully. So, let's get it. I gotta hide the camera so she can't see it. Where though? Oh man, this nigga. Alright YouTube, so Gmo couldn't be any more perfect with his timing. I was about to prank Sam so dirty right now, bro. I was gonna have, alright, so I had the camera set up in the corner. She hates when I work on my airsoft stuff. You walking around when I was about to do it too. I was gonna pretend to, like, shoot my gun off and, like, hit myself in the eye or some crazy shit and freak the fuck out. Like, ah! She sleep too, so I was gonna see how she react. So I'm about to get my act on right now. Just ignore me if you can.
Some fake blood.
Yeah, bro, I don't know, but we'll see what happens. Alright, take two. She's low-key a heavy sleeper. Baby, okay? Baby, good? Hello? Hi, Ariel. Turn this shit off. Either she's knocked the hell out or she's ignoring me. I don't know. Hello? Yeah, your equipment got delivered. Yeah. This shit just don't work. Ah! Fuck! Ah! Ah! Babe! Oh! Fuck! Ah, baby, man! Ah.
What happened? What happened? What happened? You shot yourself in the face?
It's a prank.
Oh, you did. You got that on camera?
It's a prank. Come here. Come here. Come here. Baby, come here. Give me a kiss, baby.
No.
Give me a kiss. I love you.
No, there was not even no blood. I don't even know.
How did you fall for that? I was gonna put ketchup on the floor. Give me a kiss.
No.
Alright. Ah, Team Demo. Alright, y'all. So I'm not gonna lie. I could have done better, and I know that. But when she turned me around and she was like, "What happened? You shot yourself in the face?" I'm like, damn, she caught me already. So we still got her ass. She still got. I got your ass. You know I got your ass. Anyways, let me know which prank you guys like more, this one or the hickey prank. I got some more pranks up my sleeve, some meaner pranks up my sleeve, but I got your ass. She said my prank was weak. We still got her ass. Ain't that right, Ariel?
No, she's on my side.
She said she was waiting to see like fake blood and like my finger cut off and all kinds of extra shit. Which I honestly thought about doing, like the
I
fake
thought
blood.
when you were gonna prank me, you would commit to it. Like,
Oh no, this one.
commitment.
But this wasn't. I didn't plan this prank. This was like off the top of my head right now. I
You
swear.
didn't plan this plank?
I didn't plan this prank. This was all off the top of the head, y'all. So I have some pranks planned for you, but I didn't want to hit you one just yet because you were sleeping so peacefully. So I was like, what can wake her up but not completely piss her off? So, you know, I got your ass.
Well, honestly, I thought, okay, you yelled out, babe, the first time. I heard it and I was like,
whatever.
I'm not gonna go. I'm just over it. I'm sleeping. Then I heard it the second time. Then the third time, I was like, oh shit, something probably really happened.
Yeah, I shot myself in the face.
With no blood?
Yeah. Well, no.
That's why I turned you over so quick.
No, I know that's why. No,
because
you turned me over. You're like, what happened? You shot yourself in the face? And then I'm like, well, fuck, there goes my whole prank. It's a prank.
You need to commit to it.
Hey.
Where
Whatever. No. I still got your ass. I still got your ass. So.
Mine was still better.
I don't give a fuck, man. Comment down below which
Whose was better?
Which prank y'all like more, the hickey prank, or I don't even know what I'm gonna call this one, or whatever prank this is.
I should have known better too, because I looked at the gun before I looked at you, and there was nothing on the gun.
Why would there be anything on the gun?
Blood or something?
No, why would there be blood on the gun?
I don't know.
Anyways, thank y'all for tuning in. It's Team Demo over here. MooreLyfe gang.
Not.
Yeah, we got some more.
All you airsofters, this is not a good airsoft.
Man, nah. If
prank.
you rock with me, I was saying if you rock with me, if you rock with airsoft, if you rock with Team Demo, comment down below. Team Demo, More Life Gang. My prank was better. More love, more laughs, more life.
Bye.
Peace.
Good night.
Got your ass.
No, you didn't.
Yeah, I did.